Walking through the garden, what will we see? Walking through the garden, come and learn with me. Hi, my name is Miss Maz. I live in Australia. Let's do some outdoor learning. What can you hear? What can you see? I see a pineapple close to me. Look at its golden yellow colour and its green top. This pineapple is ready to pick. Here we go. Twist, twist, snap. A ripe pineapple ready to eat. Let's learn about pineapples. Let's hear all the sounds in the word pineapple. This means we are going to clap the syllables. Pineapple. How many was that? Let's try it again. Pineapple. Three syllables in the word pineapple. Now, if I was going to spell the word pineapple, what's that first sound? Say it slowly. Pineapple. For pineapple. That's the letter P. This is a pineapple top. We cut it off a pineapple, put it in the ground, and it will then grow to be this big, and then it will have more fruit grow on top. How incredible is that? From this, it will keep growing to this, and then have some of those yellow, yummy fruit that we love eating. This is a pineapple before it turns yellow. It's not ready to pick or eat yet. It will keep growing bigger and change colour. In about a month, it might be ready. See how it's got these spiky protective leaves at the base and also on top of it? And it has this rough texture on the outside. Let's make fruit kebabs with our fresh pineapple. Whenever you prepare or cook, you need to wash your hands first. And whenever using knives, make sure you have an adult. We're going to cut the top off first. And we can grow a new pineapple from this. Now we're going to take the outside off because we can't eat the skin. And we're going to use the skin to make some artwork soon. I'm going to cut the pineapple in half, 2 halves. And now I have pineapple pieces. I also have some fresh mangoes. I cut the skin off them earlier, and now I can make mango and pineapple fruit kebabs. I've got my kebab stick. It can be sharp on the end, so be careful and always do it with an adult. And you're sliding the fruit onto the kebab stick. It goes mango, pineapple, mango, pineapple. What comes next? Mango! That's right. Another piece of mango. and another piece of pineapple. Let's look at the bright colours. We've got orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. It's a repeating pattern. A nice, healthy snack that we can eat. That is yummy. We're going to do some pineapple printmaking. We're going to use the pineapple skin and we're going to put some paint on it, and then we're going to flip and press so that we can do some printmaking on some paper. I love the bright colours and the unique dots, the special pattern that it makes. It might get a bit messy, so make sure you're prepared. See the beautiful texture on the pineapple? We're going to use that texture to make some prints on our paper. I've chosen this bright yellow colour because that's the colour of the pineapple. I'm going to put some paint on top. One more with this yellow colour. Flip and press. Peel it back gently. Let's change colours now. I've got a new piece of pineapple and I'm going to use a different colour. This colour is a turquoise colour. Move the paint around with the brush so it covers all the high points of the pineapple, because those are the parts that make the dots. I love these patterns. Flip and press and pull it back gently. Yes, such bright colours. Move the paint around and flip and press. Pull it up gently. If it starts breaking, that's okay. Flip and press. Pull it up gently. It's still making those beautiful patterns. We've got our pink paper with that yellow and turquoise made from our pineapple printing. You could keep adding lots more colours. There you go. I'm going to make some fresh pineapple juice using the pineapple that I just got from the garden. I've got my juicer and I've got my pineapple. Here we go. Look what I just picked from the garden. A pineapple! Let's celebrate with a pineapple song. I've got a yellow scarf and a green scarf to remind me of the colours on a pineapple. Here we go. Yellow and green, a pineapple is yellow and green. Spiky top and smooth inside, a pineapple is yellow and green. Loves the sunshine and warm weather, a pineapple is yellow and green. Grows close to the ground slowly, a pineapple is yellow and green. Yellow and green, a pineapple is yellow and green. Yellow and green, a pineapple is yellow and green. A healthy fruit for you and me, a pineapple is yellow and green. Can be juiced into a drink, a pineapple is yellow and green. Or eaten on a fruit kebab, a pineapple is yellow and green. Yellow and green, yellow and green, a pineapple is yellow and green. Yellow and green, yellow and green, a pineapple is yellow and green. A healthy fruit for you and me, a pineapple is yellow and green. Thanks for walking through the garden with me. I wonder next time what we might see, what we might hear. The pineapple and I would like to say goodbye, and we'll see you next time for some more outdoor learning. Can you hear that sound? It's coming from behind the pineapple. Look! 2 little guinea fowl. Imagine, they could have been hiding there the whole episode. We'll have to learn about them in the next episode. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out.